Hello, it's Gavin Knight here with a dev kit unboxing for Sigfox from Mystic Pants. So, g'day, it's Gavin Knight from, where am I from again?
Mystic Pants.
Mystic Pants. This is one in a series of videos that we want to do on different IoT connectivity solutions that integrate with the connector platform. This one is shipped to us from M2M Connectivity in Kensington, Victoria. Cost of about $400. It's a Radiocraft's embedded wireless solutions kit for the Sigfox network. Sigfox, as you're probably all aware, is an ultra narrow band, low power wireless network. It's a French company distributed in Australia through a company called Thinkstra, which is currently investing in a network rollout with aims of covering about 80% of the population. It has long-range wireless propagation properties and is designed for low throughput IoT applications and dedicated to that task. So, what do we have in the box? I think this kit was about $400. It comes with a couple of well-packaged, isolated demonstration boards with, looks like GPIO broken out to some pins that you can easily connect to, and old school USB connector, bunch of buttons, and I reckon there's probably some LEDs on there somewhere. And all these stub antennas, which I guess can connect directly or probably also via a cable. I guess we want two of these so that we can effectively demonstrate communication between two devices. That's probably a minor issue. So power supplied here, but the plug that they've sent us is not appropriate for our environment, so that's not a big deal. I'm guessing it's either 5 or 12 volts. I'll have a look at that later. So, it also comes with a set of instructions from Radiocraft's Oslo, Norway, where I guess it must have been manufactured. This also includes a quick start guide, which is also available online to be downloaded from radiocrafts.com, which would probably be a pretty good place to start if you're considering purchasing one of these, so you can actually download the tools before you start. So now that we've got the box open and I've had a small chance to read over some of the documentation, I wanted to go over some of the basic features of the board that I can see. First thing is that it's powered using this connector here, but unfortunately they've not shipped us with an Australian plug. That's not going to be a major problem, but something to be aware of. It uses USB for data. There are instructions as to how to connect USB via USB serial in order to exchange data with your PC, which is principally, I'd imagine, going to be used for debugging purposes. The stub antenna, there are two stub antennas included, one for each board. On the lower side of the board, it's actually got a 9-volt battery connector. So I was wondering what the DC input was. It's obviously going to be 9 volts. That's kind of cool. I like the way they've done that for a demo board. And it's got these, I assume most likely GPIO broken out onto those pins. I'm not sure what other comm standards it supports at this point, but I guess you can probably configure it for UART and possibly SPI. In the instructions, it tells you the first thing that you need to do is to go to the Sigfox website and register, and that the dev kit comes with platinum level Sigfox subscription, which allows you 140 uplink messages and 4 downlink messages per day for a year after the activation date, and it includes roaming, so it can be used anywhere in, it says in the instructions, Europe, where the Sigfox network is available, but I'm guessing that also includes other parts of the world where the Sigfox network has been deployed. All of the data on the Sigfox network appears to be, all the data transmitted across the network seems to be brokered centrally. So there's a description in the documentation of how to manage the interface and the routing of that data. It appears pretty straightforward, and compared to some of the other dev kits that we've been playing with recently, it's very well put together and extremely well packaged. It's likely to last a long time in an engineering environment because it's well packaged, and people aren't going to assumedly lose parts and break things. So it looks like a pretty good kit, and we'll get started having a play with it, and we might make another video a little later. Thanks.